Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are fine. It's Angle FL. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some beautiful crochet bag designs. Crochet bags are a great way to add a personal touch to your wardrobe. They can be made in any style or color you like, and they are surprisingly easy to make. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Classic crochet tote bag. This is a great all-purpose bag that can be used for work, school, or running errands. It is also a great beginner's project. Crochet bucket bag. This is a trendy and stylish bag that is perfect for summer. You can make it any color or pattern you like. You can even add embellishment like pom-pom or tassels. Crochet crossbody bag. This is a hand-free bag that's perfect for travel or everyday use. You can make it any size you like. You like big size, then made big size with big strap. If you like small size, then we was made small size with small straps. Or if you want clutch bag for occasion, then we was also made clutch bag for any occasion you want. Crochet market bag. This is a sturdy and reasonable bag that perfect for grocery shopping or carrying your belongings to the beach. You can make it any size you like. You can even add a drawstring closure for convenience. If you are looking for more inspiration, there are plenty of crochet bag patterns available online or on my YouTube channel. Watch it. You can find crochet bag tutorials on my YouTube channels. Here are a few ideas for crocheting bag. Use a durable yarn that can withstand wear and tear. Make sure your stitches are tight so that your bag does not come undone. Pay attention to the size of your bag. You want it to be big enough to hold your belongings, but not so big that it's cumbersome. If you want a bag with handles, make sure that the handles are securely attached to the bag. You can add embellishment to your crochet bag such as pom-pom tassels or buttons. You can also paint your bag with acrylic paints, or if you don't want, or you are a beginner, then viewers make bag with granny scare. They also look very beautiful, very stylish, and they are easy to make. Take care. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.